Okay, so last time we put the menus in ready to go. I've been having a little mess about. I've added the DP up here as a global thing, so you can use it in anywhere basically. I've changed them to 6, which is this one here, so they're all going down to there because that's for clearing your thumbs, your cache and your packages. I've added a URL into here just so we can use it down here for deleting different parts. You ain't deleting everything at once if you don't want to. I mean, you could, but for now we're just doing them separate. Yeah, I've taken this out of another wizard. I've added these bits in. I've put a list in because when it comes down to delete the thumbs, it shows you an OK box for everyone because there's like 10 or 13 or probably more. Where's your thumbs? Yeah, so in your thumbnails, yeah, you've got 0 to 9 and then you've got A, B, C, D, E, F and video. So it shows you an OK box for every one of them. I think it's about 16 I counted, but anyway. Yeah, so we put that in. I've added another menu thing. Like in the video add-on, I've had to stick another one in just with false. Folder's false, and I'll put that as item. Just rather than opening another menu when you click on these, like, you don't need to. So I've just done it as an item so it doesn't. So that's you'll probably want to pause this to get this clear sorted. So at the top we've just got a list. We're pulling in the URL as with down here. Yeah, so obviously pulling in the URL and matching it up with these. So thumbs, if it's thumbs, then folder equals thumbs, which is defined up the top, which is that there. Thumbs equals user data and thumbnails, so that's opening your thumbnails folder and deleting any files in there. Cache again, same again, folder equals cache, this is defined up the top, is your cache folder, and packages is your packages in add-ons. Your cache is just in your main Kodi one, your thumbnails in your user data. So it's doing them. Okay, so then that's just deciding what folder it's basically, so it can be used down here. Not 100% on this other stuff walk. I've been looking up on it and I've got to do a bit more research, but basically if there's root, I'm not sure, if there is a root directory or files in files, or root directory in files in os.walk, setting the file check to 0, and then adding the number of files onto it, and if it equals greater than 0, then it'll carry on and start taking stuff out. So for effing files, that's defining a file. It's got unlink, I'm not sure whether that's just taking it out of the path. And I've put this in, if the list equals nothing, do your dialog.ok, because this is the bit that's going through the thumbs I think. And then just stick something in the list just to stop it keep doing the dialogue thing. I'm not sure whether that will mess up your what do you call it? Yeah, deleting all your thumbnail folders. So if it only deletes one, delete that, take that out, unindent that, and delete all this down here. So you're left with that, but we'll leave it in for now. Okay, so in the dialog I've just used the URL, so it'll just tell you what it's deleted. So you got deleted down the space plus URL, so it'll say deleted cache packages FOMs. Otherwise, if there's something in the list, it will just say that. And then for the endures, it's using shuttle, so you've got to import that up the top. Shuttle, shootil, whatever. It's shut and IL, import that. Which all that does is removes a folder or a file. I think you can take a folder out as well. Yeah, you can actually, because it's been used to take folders out. But that's all that does. I've seen somewhere that it's malicious or a virus, which is a bit of an exaggeration. It's just deleting a folder. It can do things against your will. I suppose you can call it malicious, but a virus, it's not spreading and diseasing, or it's a bit of a fallacy, falsehood. So yeah, dialogue okay, deleted, okay, and then that's if file check is greater than null. It's doing all that. Otherwise, it's just telling you it's empty and your files are already empty, so you don't need to do anything. That's all it's doing there. So that's deleting your FOMs, your packages and your cache. So yeah, I've split them into quarters. It'll be a bit awkward for you to see, but I thought it's just the best way to show you what's actually happening. So put a file in thumbnails, 0 there to be deleted, cache to be deleted, packages to be deleted. Press on that. Your packages have been successfully deleted. Okay, have a nice day. Pressing it again, your packages are already empty, so it knows the difference. Press on that. There you go, your cache, you see it disappear, just like magic. And then press it again. It says they're already empty. This is one that seems to have a little fit, but I think it's just because there's more than one folder. It should just do it at once there, because there's only one file. See what happens when we put 2 in. Call that lovely new. Okay, so now there's 2 files in there. It might do it twice. Yeah, so it's just deleted the one, and then it's deleted the other. Obviously that could get quite annoying if there's a lot of them, but I'll let you have a little Google and try and sort that out. Probably could fix it, but it's a little practice for you. So yeah, they're all functioning nicely. As you've seen, they're doing what they want to do. Obviously restore local build, back up my build, we haven't touched yet. So yeah, as you clear cache, clear packages, clear thumbnails. Yeah, that's not telling you when they're already empty. Why is it doing that? I think because we put this bit in, shall we just take it out? Let's just take it out. Okay, so all that bit, we'll just delete it. If you've just typed it in, you're probably cursing me now, but sorry. So there you go, your thumb's already empty. Yeah, this is why I'll put that bit in. See where it's doing it for everyone. Right, so we'll put that back in, because that's going to get quite annoying. It will finish eventually when it runs out. Right, just Control and Z if you've just took that out again after you've just wrote it in and cursed me. You should be alright. Right, so it's not getting it because... Ah, that's why. Let's try that. Yeah, it's not liking that one. If URL equals thumbs, if list equals empty, what can we do? I think there's that thing you can use. I was going to go mental. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to take mine off because I know it's doing it so solid. Yeah, it's a bit of homework for you. If you want to get that working properly, Google it. It'll be in this bit here. Something's going wrong. I don't know why we got this. What I'm trying to do is just stick something in that list. Alright, let's try and stick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if the list doesn't equal that. Yeah, it's going to get me nerves a bit, so I won't sit here messing about while you're watching. It will go away eventually. Oh, come on. Right, there we go. Yeah, like I say, again, I'm going to take it out. It works, it does its job, so it's up to you if you want it to work properly. I might have a look another time. But for now, that's 3 pretty handy maintenance bits for you. And next time we'll do backing up your build, which is another decent one. Plus restoring local builds. I've done these ones first because they're quite simple. And these two because it's a bit out of my comfort zone. I'm not 100% on the code just yet, so I want to be able to show you what's actually happening rather than just, yeah, I'll just copy that, which is no good. Right, I hope you enjoy your new wizard with your new tools, and I'll see you next time.